I'm Jeanene Bettner, and I'm the Chief Operating Officer for our distribution team, which is essentially our sales team. And I've been at Thornburg for 9 years. Strategic planning before was, I would say, a little bit of seat of the pants. Used spreadsheets primarily to create some objectives and then try to get to the departments and put some key results or metrics, we really called them KPIs at the time, and put those KPIs into the Excel sheet. What we found, though, was it was really hard to manage updating that across the company. Just the application design is, I think, far and away advanced relative to a lot of other applications that people have to really figure out how to use. This is something that is intuitive. Simplicity, ease of use was great, but also just the people at Elate themselves, they know what they're talking about, they're passionate about what they do, they want to see their customers and clients successful. So those two things in combination made it a pretty easy decision. It also had the integration with tools like Slack and Power BI, which are two tools that were integral to how we do business already. And so putting Elate on top of it was pretty easy and made the updates to the application very seamless. We have licenses for all 250 of our employees so that everybody can get in and see how different departments are doing, how their own department is doing against their key results. It really helps thread the departments together so that people understand the impact of one department on another department based on the objectives and the key results. It's become a huge communication and collaboration tool for us. It's provided a transparency tool so that, again, every individual can tie their roles to the results of the company and know the impact that they have on the company. It's really hard to do in a spreadsheet, and you really need a tool that will provide that thread across the organization, and that's really what Elate does for us. I would say talk to other customers and see because it really is industry agnostic. It's really about high-level strategic planning. It's not a performance planning tool. It's about how do you get everybody at your organization aligned with what you're trying to accomplish as a business, and helps them execute on that.